Epic has really helped us with some of the back-end support services that would be challenging for us as a small pharmacy. I'm Brian Hose. I've been in Epic Pharmacy since 2008 when I bought my pharmacy in Sharpsburg, Maryland. It really came from an interaction that my grandfather had with his local pharmacist, and how they were able to help him get his medication when he otherwise couldn't have afforded it. And seeing that interaction, how much impact they could have in the community, really opened the door for me to take that path and try to help people in my community as well. We would not be able to do the things that we do without Epic taking care of the back-end support for us. So PBM contracting, audit support, working with wholesalers to help us negotiate better prices has been something that would be challenging as a single store. But with all of the stores that Epic has, it really gives us that appearance of being larger than we are. So in addition to being an independent pharmacy owner, I've been Epic's CEO since 2022 and a member of their board since 2018. Being an independent pharmacy owner myself, I know the struggles that independent owners face. I've been on the counter, I've worked with patients, I understand the financial pressures that they're under because I'm still under those pressures myself in my pharmacy. I know how challenging it is. I've been in state capitals and in DC fighting for legislation to help independent pharmacy. I know what it feels like to be involved in helping patients in the community. So when we're making decisions at Epic, we're trying to help independent pharmacy owners who we know are struggling in these areas.
My dad opened the store in 1957. I bought the store from my dad in 1981. And so I've been here ever since. And I've been a member of Epic since 1986. I love the third-party adjudication that Epic does for us. You know, they're on top of the claims, they call you, and their help with audits is fabulous. You know, you just can't do this by yourself.
Epic Pharmacies have greatly helped my business goals, especially the back-end stuff when it comes to negotiating legal ease with these contracts that come in. A lot of the reimbursement below cost issues. I don't know if I could have kept these pharmacies for 25 years without Epic backing me up.